How to find all factors of any number using pen and paper. This can be done in 3 steps. Step 1, factorize the number. Step 2, list trivial factors. Step 3, find all possible prime factor combinations. Let's take a number 84 for example, and we have to do the step 1, which is nothing but simply factorizing it to get all the prime factors. So we have 2, 3 and 7. Step 2, write down the trivial factors. Trivial factors are silly. We have learned that every number has got at least 2 factors. Even prime numbers got 2 factors. 1 and that number itself, isn't it? They are called trivial factors. So we need to consider that also. In this case, 1 and 84 are the trivial factors for this number 84. Now we go to step 3, is finding prime factor product combinations by, let us say, forward multiplication method. There is no such standard method. For convenience, we shall call it as forward multiplication method, and you will come to know what it is. To do this, you need to write all the factors, all the prime factors in a row, and we have 4 numbers. We got 4 factors by prime factorizing 84, 2, again 2, 3 and 7. So because of this we got 4 factors. We need to write this 2, 2, 3, 7 4 times. In 4 rows. You have to make a table of 4 columns and 4 rows. So let us complete this table. 2, 2, 3, 7. Again 2, 2, 3, 7. And I need one more row. I don't have space there. Let us write it here. 2, 2, 3, 7. Alright, here you go. Now, this is first row, second row, third row, and fourth row. And you have to just pick the number of first row, first column, multiply it by the second number, which is 2 times 2, 4, and 4 times 3, 12, and 12 times 7, which is 84. That's it. So we have 4, 12, and 84. Now go to the second row, second column, circle that number. 2 times 3 we have 6, 6 times 7 we have 42, and now you have to go in an anti-clockwise direction, that is the forward direction. So 42 times 2, 84. So we have 6, 42 and 84. That's it. Now we go to the third row, third column, circle that number 3 times 7, which is 21, and 21 times 2, that's 42, and 42 times 2, which is 84. That's it. We have 21, 42 and 84. See, the last number is 84 and all this above 3 rows, isn't it? Fourth row, fourth column, 7 times 2, you get 14. 14 times 2, you get 28, and 28 times 3, you get 84 again. That's it. We have 14, 28 and 84. So we have done the product combination of all the prime numbers, prime factors. Now which are the prime factors? Write it again. 2, 3 and 7. You don't need to consider this 2 because it repeats. And trivial factors. Which are the trivial factors? Yeah, silly. These are 1 and 84. We know with every number this 1 is a factor and that number itself is a factor. So we have done our 3 steps, almost done. Now what is to be done? All factors of 84. Now just pick it from this list, write it in an ascending order. I would prefer to write it in ascending order. So start with 1, which is always there, and just cut it off, strike it off. Once you write it in this list, strike off that 1, 2 and 3. Of course 2 and 3 there, and next number is 4, and write it down. 4 and 5, we don't have 5, we have 6. Yeah, and 7, do we have 7? Yes, we have 7. Then we have 12. We have 12 and 14. Then we have 21. Then 22 is not there. 28. Yeah, we got 28. And the next number I think is 42. Alright, 42 and 84 is the only remaining numbers. So 42, strike it off. 84. Of course the last trivial factor is 84. And 84 is repeating in many other places. Just ignore it, strike it off. This being a set, we know the elements of a set never repeats, so no need to write it twice. We got all the factors of 84.